Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Santa Claus, so let's get started. To draw this very happy Santa, let's first start by drawing his nose. So I'm going to come right here and start with a big oval. So I'm going to draw a curve, and I'm going to round it off and connect. Big oval nose. Then from there, I'm going to come to the sides, say about right here, right next to it. I'm going to go ahead and draw a big curve for the eyes. So nice and simple, just a curve for the eyes to make it extra happy. And same thing on the other side. So about right here, towards the top of the nose, draw another curve and just thicken it up. There. So now that we have that, let's go above each eye, and we're going to draw a slight curve coming down over the eye, and then we're going to thicken it up for the brow. So same thing over here, right over the eye, slight curve coming down and thicken it up. There. Then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the mustache. So let's find the center of our nose, say about right here. And then say about right here, the center of this part right here, I'm just going to give myself 2 points. And same thing on the other side. And using that as my guide, I'm going to come right here and we're going to draw a curve, come up and then down, and then we're going to go past the eye. And I'm just kind of imagining like a little curve right here for the face. I'm going to pass this area. I'm just going to say about right here. And then I'm going to bring it all the way back to here. A big round curve and connect. It's a nice full mustache. There. So same thing on the other side. So we're going to imagine there's a curve about right here for the face. So we're going to come up and then go down past the eye and about say right here. And once again, come back to here. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect everything. There, very happy. And then in between, about right here, whatever space you have left, just draw a soft curve for the mouth. Very happy, right? So I'm going to come back here. I think I need to thicken up just a little bit more so it can stand out a bit more. Since it's just a curve for the eyes. Okay, so then from there, we're going to come back to the brow area, say about right here. And this is where I'm going to come here and just draw a soft curve. So same thing here, just like the other side, to frame the face. Then we're going to draw, imagine a curve for the hat. So say about right here. I'm going to go up and come back down to here. So I'm just going to draw a curve over and back. About right there, and then we're going to continue this curve down for the hat. Let's say about right here, kind of like where we're going to draw his beard. So come down, same thing on the other side, about right there, and then we can go ahead and we're going to bring this up to give a rim for our Santa's hat. So I'm going to go up and just thicken it up. I'm just following this curve I've created at the bottom and connect. There. And then for the hat, let's go up. Let's come in a little bit and then we're going to go up towards the center to say about right here towards the center. And then we're going to start to come down. But before I do that, I'm going to come back about right here because I need to put in another curve right here, just like this side, but it's going to be slightly lower. So about right here, I'm going to bring a curve down. There. And then we're going to come back over here and finish it off, the tail of our hat. So then about right there, I'll end it, and then add a little ball right in this space. There. So hopefully that helps to draw a simple Santa hat. And then we can go ahead and draw his beard. So we're going to come right back into the space that we've created on both sides. And then we're going to just draw a soft beard today. So I'm just going to go around and around round, nice and soft. And I'm going to bring it pretty low. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to draw maybe 1, 2, 2 curves as I bring it down. So wobble, and then maybe towards the center, one bigger center wobble. And same thing here. So 1 and 2 to create this beard. So hopefully that's a little bit easier to draw. If you're not comfortable drawing these wobbles, you can just go ahead and make this nice and smooth. Then from there, now we're done with his face. Let's come about right here. So kind of wider than his face. I'm going to come about here and here, wider than the face. And we're going to start to draw the body. So I'm hoping to make this a lot simpler. So trying to simplify the lines here. So we're just going to come out, give him a nice big belly. And then about right there, I'm going to start to bring it in. Nice and round. And let's keep going. Just bring it in. There. So just make sure you have this nice long curve. And so say about right here, I'll stop in this area. I'll come across, give myself a point just so I know where I'm going on the other side. And I'm going to break it up with a curve for his belt. I'm just going to go all the way across. So this curve just helps to make the tummy look even rounder. So just make sure you have it at a curve, and then I'll just go ahead and thicken it up. Before I finish that, I'm going to come back to the center and just draw a little buckle. Just part of a buckle. There. And then I'll thicken up my belt all the way across. There. Okay. And then let's see here. Then we can come back to the center again. And so right about here, I'm just going to draw a soft curve right in the center area. And then we can go ahead and draw his legs. So right here, just going to write 2 angle lines that come out from the center. Just notice my buckle is not center, so I'm going to add a little bit more right there. And then where you're going to connect, just come down to this area about right here and then connect it with a curve. So same thing over here. Just bring it down and connect. There. And then we can go ahead and draw his boots. So we're going to come straight down. Just going to angle a little bit. And then we're going to pop out these tiny little boots and connect. And same thing here. So it's just a bit more cartoonish than my usual Santa. I'm trying to make it a little bit easier to draw, so hopefully I'm helping you today. And the other foot right there. And let's see, and then a little detail in the center, right? It will be about right here. I'm going to come to both sides. I'm just going to draw a very soft curve on both sides for the stripe, the white part in his jacket. I'm just making it at a curve to give it more volume. It's nice and round. Then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw his arms. So on this side right here, about right here, I'm going to pop out a curve. And about here. And connect. I'll come back in here and add a line for some details, and then a glove. So round, thumb, and nice and round. There. And then on the other side, you can draw the same thing on this side, but if you like, that would be cute to have Santa waving today. So if you want to do that, let's come about right here, a little bit higher up, and here. Try and make it about the same width as the other side and length. And about there, and connect. And then a little cuff right there, and then same thing. Just going to come out with a thumb and big curve for the fingers. There. So hopefully this has been a easier and happier Santa for you to draw along with me. And I'm going to add a heart right here. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this happy Santa turned out, and I helped you draw him fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.